We're gonna taste some Pinot Noir today.
So excited! Oh, I forgot to say, what's up, guys?
Akarua is a big deal for Ling. This is Ling's they make Ling's favorite is Pinot Noir, right? We're gonna head in and do a little sample.
We're in the middle.
Degustation.
We're in the middle of New Zealand's desert.
New Zealand had a desert. I didn't know that. Stop the virus. Chin chin.
Rich ones. Our ones are much.
How is it like growing like those type of grapes in like a really dry, hot area like here?
Yeah, well, I mean, it works really, really well for the Pinot Noir. And actually, the map behind us here is a map of all the Bannockburn wineries.
So this is all Pinot Noir, all this red?
Yes.
Wow.
All the red is all Pinot Noir.
I love this one. 25 Steps Pinot Noir 2018. It's really nice. How much is this bottle?
$35.
That's not too bad. 35 bucks. Really good Pinot Noir 2018. So we just tried the Pinot Noir 2018. I'm still sold on this guy here, the 25 Steps. Ling likes the Pinot Noir 2018. I just find it's a bit too crisp, a bit too light. I'm like more into like the full-bodied, buttery. So Pinot Noir is their main grape here. They have different varieties of Pinot Noir grapes, but they also do their own Pinot Gris, Sauvs,
It's inspired
Chards.
by ice wines of Canada.
Is it?
Gewürz Riesling.
It's sweet. You taste the Manuka?
So good.
Okay. Right. You made your choice. You went with the ice wine.
The ice wine that is not at all like.
They shout out Canada because Germany and Canada are one of the top producing ice wine countries in the world. They can't do that here because it just gets too hot or it doesn't get cold enough when the grapes are really ripe. Normally you would wait till the end of the season and then the grapes freeze over and that's when you would pluck the grapes, versus here it doesn't work because of the climate. So what they do is they pluck the grapes and they stick it in the freezer. They stick it in the freezer so that way it maintains a bit of acidity, unlike the Canadian ice wines, which tend to be sweeter, which is why I kind of like this one, because a hint of acidity for a more depth of flavor.
I got a bottle because they don't sell it outside of here and their website.
So that's a handy tip. The tastings here are free. This is the first winery we've been to ever that had free tastings.
Yep.
Right? Trying to grab the GoPro. Can't forget the GoPro.
To the right. Yeah, Mother Ice Rosemary and be like, hey, sinabi ko yan.
Roadkill.
His arm was up.
That looked like possum or stoat. Maybe ferret. Holy crap, guys. We're actually not in New Zealand anymore. Look, there's hoodoos. We're officially in Drumheller. We're in Drumheller, Alberta. We're back in Drumheller. Definitely feels like a desert.
Yep.
We are in the desert.
The sun is super hot, no?
Yeah, it's that central Otago dryness. All signed in.
the Roaring Meg. I don't really like Syrah.
Yeah, you're not really into those full-bodied ones, eh? Thank you. Cool. Look at that view. It's quite nice, hey? Empty vineyards. Ready for the new season. The new harvest. 2020. As bad as 2020's been, hopefully the wine will be better. We got a bottle of the Chenin Blanc, or the Chenin Blanc. It's so dry out here. I absolutely knew nothing about this region of New Zealand.
Bannockburn.
Bannockburn, the central Otago region, dry as, ideal for those thick-skinned red Pinot Noir grapes. All of this is just like badland desert area. I want to see if we can get close to those hoodoos though. Lunchtime. Got here a steak, pea, and mash pie. I've never had that one before, but we're in Cromwell, and I don't know what the connection is, but it's a steak, pea, and mash pie. Lynn got a mutton pie.
First time ever.
And she got a cheese roll as well.
South Island delicacies, apparently.
Yeah.
It's like a puck inside.
Oh look, the lid came off. Let's see what's inside. Mmm. Steak, pea, and mash, exactly as described.
I think I understand why she offered me sauce.
This is like dinner in a package. You got your meat, your mash, and your peas in a case. A nice flaky brown case. This is mutton, older sheep. Ling described it as having a stronger flavor.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. It's almost like the aged cheddar of
Yes.
meats. All right, good to go. We probably should have eaten before doing the wine tasting. Okay, let's go outside. Oh, it's hot.
It's really windy right now.
Windy as. Wow. You should go there. Misha's wine tasting. Down for their Roche.
So I'll give you a pencil. I'll get you set up here. It's high to get up in there, but once you're up, you're...
Yeah, you're set. Alright, some more Pinot Noir. Chin chin, Ling.
You got the cantata?
The Cantata Pinot Noir 2018. What did you get?
The Hino.
Oh, you got the Hino. Hino Pinot Noir 2017. Trick is to sound as snotty as possible while drinking wine. Notes of dark plum, nice soft tannins, medium acidity, smooth finish, quite nice, which go well with a filet
Very
mignon.
different.
Perhaps some mutton. Sense of intrigue and mystery, a varietal lift of fresh red cherry and plum, dried raspberry, and moments of red currant, a moderate intensity of oak and baking spice layers. I couldn't do it without breaking. Here, you can read that. So the spicy oak, the sweetness from the fruits, and the acidity kind of meld into one. So we're gonna try the Verissimo Pinot Noir 2012. Superbly complex and sophisticated berry, cedar, black, olive notes. The palate delivers excellent concentration in fine tannins. Alright, back in Queenstown. What? And we could see Punster?
Imagine I screamed. Scared.
I love these TVs. They're like in every backpacker hostel. Well, this is the luxury suite. We're at the Haka Lodge. Queenstown is ridiculously cheap. They must be historically cheap just because there's so much, like when you hotel after motel, so there's so many accommodations.
Vacancy.
And it's vacant. Everything's vacant. So when we first came here, we stayed at the Pod Hostel.
So instead of $90, it was $36.
That's crazy.
It's $18.
18 bucks a person to have a bed in Queenstown.
Can I take a post-wine nap now?
Yeah, take a nap. Well, that's it, I guess. Link's passed out. So we're gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you in the next one.